What are convolutional neural networks, CNNs?
CNNs are a class of deep neural networks used for analyzing visual data. They use convolutional layers to automatically and adaptively learn spatial hierarchies of features from input images, making them highly effective for image recognition tasks.
Describe recurrent neural networks, RNNs.
RNNs are a class of neural networks designed to handle sequential data. They use loops within the network to maintain information across time steps, making them suitable for tasks such as language modeling and time series prediction.
What is transfer learning?
Transfer learning involves leveraging pre-trained models on large data sets for similar tasks. It helps improve performance and reduce training time by transferring knowledge from one task to another.